Didn't it?
That's one of those towers we're going to walk on, isn't it, up there?
No, that's tripwire.
Well, there's someone up there with a helmet.
You can go on the wires, it's right.
Oh, really?
Wait, Gateway to Eden for parking.
0.6 miles. Oh, the buses come down this route because there's some signs with saying buses.
Parking for
Right into the parking section.
the bus will take you.
Drives through all the car parks.
Yeah.
Probably.
Is that the visitor centre? It's like a horse sculpture down there as well. Where's that lead to then?
Down there.
Have you got some sort of map as well? How many domes is this? Got quite a good view though from the domes up here. They're just made out of glass, obviously. It's ridiculous architecture, isn't it? Going down the lift. 40. Yeah, I'm filming the belly. That mouthpiece, I bet that's so dirty if you put your mouth on it.
Don't put your mouth on that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's been grown in the rainforest biome.
Yeah. Balsa wood. They're grown in
So they cut down the tree they grew and made into a board?
This is then wrapped with hemp top and plant resin.
Look, you can see obviously the other dome that looks like some sort of weird planet.
Yeah,
So much steam, isn't there? Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is so hot, this handle though, Jesus. Imagine just this crack now and we're holding our cameras with one hand. And we just go plummeting straight down to the ground. It's like a steam cloud, isn't it? You can barely see them. I think there's some sort of African rainforest bird or something. I thought it'd just be the tree, but the fact that bananas are actually growing on them is pretty cool, isn't it? I wonder if, you know, when they get ripe, they pick them and just sell them in the shop or something. That's pretty cool. Is it just one per crop then, pineapple? They're so small, aren't they?
yeah.
Seeing those pipes up close to like power the domes and stuff.
Wow, yeah.